Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see the storage breakdown on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone and see how much capacity is left. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and select the setting gear button. You want to now go down to where it says storage, select that. And then if you scroll down again, you should see a breakdown of how your space is being allocated, as well as on the top, how much of the total space is currently being used. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.